Hello everyone, and welcome to this podcast. My name is Laiba, and I am very happy to be here with you today. Today we are going to talk about a very important and useful topic. The topic is talk English anywhere, anytime. Yes, you heard it right. You can speak English anywhere. You can speak English anytime. You do not need a special place. You do not need perfect grammar. You just need practice and confidence. English is very important in today's world. It helps us in many ways. It helps us in study, in jobs, and in communication with people from different countries. When you can speak English, you feel more confident. You feel more open to the world. But I know something. Many people feel scared to speak English. Many people think, my English is not good. Or, what if I make a mistake? If you feel like this, don't worry. You are not alone. Many learners feel the same way. In this podcast, I will help you. I will guide you step by step. I will use simple words and simple sentences so you can understand everything easily. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy this learning journey with me. Let's begin. Now let's talk about something very important. Why should we learn to speak English anywhere and anytime? First, English is a global language. People from many different countries use English to talk to each other. When you can speak English, you can communicate with more people around the world. Second, English can help you in your career. Many jobs today need English. If you can speak English, you may get better job opportunities. You can also work with international companies. Third, English is very helpful for education. Many books, courses, and videos are in English. When you understand English, you can learn more knowledge. You can study from the best resources in the world. Another reason is travel. When you travel to another country, English can help you a lot. You can ask for directions. You can talk to people. You can feel more comfortable and confident. Also, speaking English builds your confidence. When you speak in another language, you feel proud of yourself. You feel strong. You feel independent. And here is something very important. When you learn to speak English anytime and anywhere, you do not wait for the perfect moment. You use every moment to learn. This makes your learning faster and easier. So remember, English is not just a subject, it is a skill, and this skill can change your life. In the next part, we will talk about the common problems that English learners face. Let's continue. Now let's talk about some common problems. Many English learners face these problems. If you have these problems, don't worry. It is normal. The first problem is fear of making mistakes. Many people think, what if I say something wrong? They feel shy. They feel nervous. Because of this fear, they stop speaking. But this is not good. Mistakes are part of learning. If you don't make mistakes, you cannot improve. The second problem is lack of confidence. Some learners know basic English. They understand words and sentences. But when they try to speak, they feel stuck. They think, I can't speak. This is not true. They just need more practice and belief in themselves. The third problem is not enough practice. English is a skill, and every skill needs practice. If you only read or listen, but you do not speak, your speaking will not improve. Many learners do this. They study, but they don't practice speaking. Another problem is thinking in your native language. Many learners first think in their own language, then they try to translate into English. This takes time. It makes speaking slow and difficult. It can also create mistakes. One more problem is no speaking partner. Some people say, I don't have anyone to practice with. This can be true, but it should not stop you. There are many ways to practice alone, and we will talk about that later. So these are some common problems. Fear, low confidence, less practice, translation, and no partner. But don't worry. Every problem has a solution. In the next part, we will talk about how to change your mindset and start speaking in a simple way. Let's move forward. Now let's talk about something very powerful. Your mindset. If you want to speak English anytime and anywhere, you must change the way you think. First, think simple. You do not need big or difficult words. You do not need long sentences. Simple English is good English. If you can say, I am happy, that is enough. You do not need to say very complex sentences. Many learners try to speak perfect English. They want perfect grammar. They want perfect pronunciation. Because of this, they feel pressure. They stop speaking. So remember this: communication is more important than perfection. Second, start small. Do not try to speak for a long time in the beginning. Start with small sentences. For example, I am eating. I am going to school. I like tea. These are simple sentences, but they are very useful. Third, accept mistakes. Mistakes are your teacher. When you make a mistake, you learn something new. So do not feel bad. Do not feel shy. Just keep going. Fourth, practice every day. Even 5 to 10 minutes is good. Small daily practice is better than long practice one day and nothing the next day. And one more important thing: believe in yourself. Say to yourself, I can speak English. Repeat it every day. When your mindset is strong, your learning becomes easy. In the next part, we will talk about how you can practice speaking English any time in your daily life. Let's continue. Now let's talk about something very practical. How can you speak English anytime? You do not need a classroom. You do not need a teacher all the time. You can practice in your daily life. Here are some simple and easy tips. First, talk to yourself in English. Yes, talk to yourself. This may feel strange at first, but it is very helpful. You can speak about anything. For example, I am sitting. I am drinking water. I am thinking about my work. This helps your brain get used to English. Second, describe your daily activities. Whatever you do, try to say it in English. When you wake up, say, I am waking up. When you eat, say, I am eating food. When you walk, say, I am walking. This is a very powerful habit. Third, think in English. Try to stop translating from your native language. Start thinking directly in English. At first, it will be slow, but with time, it will become easier. Start with small thoughts like, what should I eat? I need to go now. This is good. Fourth, use simple sentences. Do not try to speak long or difficult sentences. Keep your sentences short and clear. Simple speaking helps you speak faster and with more confidence. Fifth, practice in front of a mirror. Stand in front of a mirror and speak. Look at yourself. This will improve your confidence. It will also help your body language and facial expressions. And here is a bonus tip. Set small speaking goals every day. For example, today I will speak English for 10 minutes. Small goals keep you active and motivated. So remember, you can practice English anytime. Just use your daily life. In the next part, we will talk about how you can speak English anywhere using your environment. Let's move on. Now let's talk about how to speak English anywhere. Yes, anywhere. You do not need a special place. You can use your environment to practice English. Let me show you how. First, use your mobile phone. Your phone is a powerful tool. You can watch short videos in English. You can listen to simple podcasts. You can learn new words every day. Try to repeat what you hear. This will improve your speaking. Second, watch and listen in English. Watch videos, movies, or short clips in English. Listen carefully, then pause and repeat the sentences. This is a very good way to learn natural speaking. Third, use your daily surroundings. Look around you. What do you see? Try to say it in English. This is a table. That is a door. I see a car. This is simple, but very effective. Fourth, speak while doing daily tasks. You can practice English while walking, cooking, or cleaning. For example, I am cutting vegetables. I am walking to the market. This makes practice easy and natural. Fifth, use social media in English. Try to read posts in English. Write simple comments in English. Even one sentence is enough. This helps you use English in real life. And here is an important idea. Do not wait for the perfect place. Do not say, I will speak later. Speak now. Speak where you are. Your environment is your classroom. In the next part, we will talk about how to practice English, even if you do not have a speaking partner. Let's continue. Now let's talk about a very common problem. Many people say, I don't have a partner to practice English. But here is the truth. You can practice English without a partner. Yes, you can learn alone. Let me show you how. First, use self-talk. Talk to yourself in English every day. Ask yourself questions and answer them. For example, what am I doing? I am studying. How do I feel? I feel good. This builds your speaking habit. Second, record your voice. Use your phone and record yourself speaking. Then listen to your voice. This helps you find your mistakes. It also helps you improve your pronunciation. Third, use the shadowing technique. Listen to a short sentence in English, then repeat it immediately. Try to copy the same speed and tone. This helps you sound more natural. Fourth, read aloud. Take a simple book or a short paragraph. Read it loudly. Do not read in your mind. When you read aloud, your speaking becomes stronger. And here is one more idea. Create an imaginary partner. Yes, imagine someone is in front of you. Talk to that person. Ask questions. Give answers. This makes your practice more real and more fun. So remember, you are never alone in learning English. You can be your own best partner. In the next part, we will create a simple daily routine to help you practice English easily. Let's move forward. Now let's create a very simple daily routine. This routine is easy. Anyone can follow it. You do not need a lot of time, just a few minutes every day. Let's start with the morning. In the morning, try to think in English. When you wake up, say, "Good morning." Then think, "What will I do today?" Use simple thoughts in English. Now the afternoon. In the afternoon, try to speak small sentences. Talk about what you are doing. For example, I am working. I am eating lunch. I am talking to my friend. Just speak simple sentences again and again. Now the evening. In the evening, watch or listen to something in English. It can be a short video or a podcast. Listen carefully, then repeat what you hear. This will improve your pronunciation and fluency. Now, the night. Before you sleep, take 1 or 2 minutes. Think about your day in English. For example, today, I worked. I learned new words. It was a good day. This helps you remember and practice. So this is your simple daily routine. Morning, think in English. Afternoon, speak small sentences. Evening, listen and repeat. Night, review your day. If you follow this every day, you will see improvement. Small steps every day can create big results. Now let's move to the next part. Now we are near the end of our podcast. Let's talk about motivation and some final tips. First, be consistent. Do a little practice every day. Even 5 or 10 minutes is enough. But do it daily. Daily practice is the key to success. Second, do not compare yourself with others. Everyone learns at a different speed. Some people learn fast. Some people take more time. That is okay. Focus on your own progress. Third, celebrate small success. If you speak one sentence, that is progress. If you learn one new word, that is progress. Be happy with your small steps. These small steps will become big success. Fourth, do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake helps you improve, so speak without fear. And one very important thing, believe in yourself. Say to yourself, I can do this. I can speak English. Repeat this every day. Your mindset is your power. And here is my final tip. Start today. Do not wait for tomorrow. Do not wait for the perfect time. The best time to start is now. You can speak English anywhere. You can speak English anytime. Just take the first step. In the next part, we will close our podcast with a quick summary. Stay with me. And now, we have reached the end of our podcast. Let's quickly summarize what we learned today. We talked about how to speak English anywhere, anytime. We discussed common problems, simple mindset tips, and daily practice techniques. We also learned how to use our environment and practice even without a partner. Finally, we created a simple daily routine and shared motivation tips. Remember, the most important thing is to start today. Do not wait. Speak English a little every day. Make mistakes, learn, and keep going. You can do it. You are capable. And step by step, you will see progress. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed this session. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching Talk Smart English 3. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. Take care